Oh my gosh. So Joseph made me these delicious carne asada tacos because you know how much I love tacos, so I cannot wait to dig into this. It looks like there's meat, cilantro, just like we were talking about those seeds today, onions. I put some fresh lime juice on it, some avocado and jalapeños. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. Are you kidding me? How in the world did the first grader make this? So good.
Today we're gonna make carne asada tacos. Here we have 9 ingredients for the steak. Here we have 2 teaspoons of salt. We have 2 tablespoons of onion. We have 1 tablespoon of garlic. We have some cilantro, some lime juice, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We have 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and some chili powder. We have 1.5 pounds of flank steak. We're gonna mix them together. We will marinate this overnight. Let's put this in the fridge. In the meantime, we will be getting some firewood. We have some flank steak that we're gonna grill shortly. We have some cilantro and some feta cheese. We have 1 onion and 3 tomatoes that we chopped. We have some jalapeños that we chopped. We have some avocados that we're gonna slice. We have some hard shell tacos and some soft tortillas. We'll warm it up by putting it in the microwave for about 45 seconds. Let's grill the steak first. Now that the meat is ready, we cut it into smaller pieces. Now we cut our avocado, we put lime on top. Let's wrap our tacos. This is especially for you, Miss Op. Avocados at the side. I hope you like it, Miss Op.